Welcome to LOL Surprise Planet, where all the fun begins. For this project, you will need fake wood, scissors, markers, some pictures, and some sticky notes as well. We'll also be using the LOL Surprise Giant Activity Pad. First, let's use the sticky notes and the black marker. Get a sheet off of each sticky note stack and add details on it with your black marker to make it more realistic. Now let's get our LOL Surprise flyers out. We'll also be using double-sided tape for this project because we will put the double-sided tape on the back of the poster, stick it onto the wood, and it'll stick on it. Let's put our flyers on the wooden board. Okay everyone, so we have an LOL Surprise billboard with all the details that you could possibly get. It looks awesome, right? Okay everyone, so that is the end of this DIY video. Thank you very much for watching and I'll see you soon. So goodbye for now.